Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream of Senfeng Tools. I'm your host, Lei. And today we will bring two new products of Senfeng machines. The man next to me is our technical leader, Hassan, and he will give us a detailed introduction of the machines. Welcome, Hassan.
Thank you, Lei. Welcome everyone. So my name is Hassan, and so happy to be here to introduce two of very revolutionary products today for you. Yeah, and so first of all, just give you a brief introduction of this two project. So this project just fill in the gap between the industrial grade and desktop desktop, yes. Just fill the gap.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's the first desktop industry machines. And I'm interested in it. And I also think the online audience are also interested in that machines. So today you give us some demonstrate, right?
Yeah, that's true.
And before the demonstrate, I heard about a few days ago, you launched a crowdfunding campaign. Can you tell us more about that?
Right. Yes, this is a very interesting experience. So this is the first time that we've been using this platform. It's called the Kickstarter. So we support these new projects on that. Yeah.
Kickstarter is a purchase link, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So, and just in 7 days, we received more than 15 bankers.
15 bankers?
Yeah.
Who
the first time buy this kind of machine. So it's so fast. And still now the target is still growing so fast.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And today, do you bring any new benefits to our online audience?
Oh, yes, right.
Okay.
So we mentioned about the benefits. So I just give you some examples because on the Kickstarter, we already have some information that we have set 3 steps of stretching goals.
Okay.
So once we received each one, okay, so all the backers will get each, gifts for free. So first of all, if the total amount achieved 100,000, so we will unlock this one. So every banker, so will receive these 299 value material packages. And if going on, if we target the 500,000 target, so each banker will get this 398 value, the protective kit for free for each banker. And also if we keep going on, if we touch the $1 million target, so each banker will get this $499, the air purifier for free. Yeah, this is what we have already on the Kickstarter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So remember that purchase link is Kickstarter.
Right.
And any other benefit?
Oh yeah, because this is also the first time we do this kind of live stream to show the machine. So of course today we all have some of the gifts for you also. So we will have 3 round, lucky draw for all the audience here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe in the later you will know what he prepared for you.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now let's do the demonstrate.
Okay. Yep. Just before we start, I would love to just give a very short introduction of this machine. Okay. So we call this machine also another name, 7-in-1.
7-in-1.
Which means we combine all 7 functions on just one small, desktop based machine. So which is the 7 functions I just list here. So first you can see this can do CNC cutting, just like a very professional CNC cutting machine. And also this can do CNC laser engraving.
Okay.
And from here you can see we have another head that can do a dial laser. This can do engraving and cutting, especially for the non-metal materials.
For non-metal, okay.
Right. And also this have 3 handheld function.
Okay.
If you take this off, you can do handheld welding and handheld cutting and also handheld cleaning.
Okay, so that 7-in-1 machine can do 4 types of the platform.
Yes.
like cutting,
Right.
engraving, and
Yes.
these two functions
Yeah.
are for metal, and these two functions are for non-metal,
metal, yes.
and these three functions are for handheld.
Handheld.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
It's
Good.
wonderful.
All right.
So can you take us to see that machine?
Sure. Please just follow. We will show you this machine here. So today we have a machine here. This one we call the Combo Pro. Why we call it Combo Pro? Because this one was designed for multiple function. So as we said, 7 function in one. Okay. And also for this one, we have 2 choices about the working area. So one is 400 times 300 millimeters, and another one is 600 times 600 millimeters.
Okay.
And also for the power, we also have 2 options. One is 800 volts, and another one is 1.2 kilowatts.
So for the bigger size, higher power, right?
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. Yeah.
So next, what's the demonstrate you want to show her first?
Yeah, yeah. So today we are using this one. This it will be equipped with 1.2 kilowatts.
1.2 kilowatts.
Yeah. So we will do some cutting today, especially for metal
Okay,
Yeah.
cutting and
cutting, and also cleaning,
Clean.
and also clean
Welding.
welding. Yeah.
okay,
All together.
okay.
Yeah.
So the first step is
Yeah. We will do weld first
Okay.
because as you can see, this gun is ready. All right. And yeah, before that, I just gave you. Later we'll change this welding machine into a cutting machine by
Okay.
our engineer. So we'll do the welding first.
Okay.
Okay.
So and hold on. Before the welding, please remember take your goggles.
Yeah. This is very important.
Okay.
Okay. So this is our engineer, Song, and Mr. Zhang. So are you ready for the welding? Okay. Okay. Just take the samples here.
What sample do you plan to weld today?
Yeah, this is so funny because we made this is a barbecue grill.
Okay.
So we just made it last night by this machine.
So it's part also by this machine, right?
Yeah, right,
Okay,
right.
okay.
It's carbon steel. So we're trying to make some welding to make it much stronger and fixed. Okay, so just do it. And maybe you can also take a look at the software over there. No,
Software?
yeah. You can look at the screen. No, this is a model of welding. This is a welding model. And this also can be changed into cleaning and cutting metal later.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start the welding.
Yeah, please.
Can you introduce what kind of the welding project working now?
Oh yeah. So for welding on this machine, we have like 3 types of welding model.
Okay.
So now they are doing the continuous welding. with
Continuous
wires,
welding.
Okay. And also we have a model called bolt welding.
Bolt
Yeah.
welding.
And also have one called the fish scale welding.
So total 3 types.
3 types.
And I think before the continuous welding, you should do some spot welding, right?
Yeah, yeah, right. To just to fix the pieces.
Let's see the welding performance. It's very easy, right?
Yeah, easy. How's it going now?
So this machine can use directly and also can fix
Right.
wire feeder, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a nice finish.
Let's do it again. 中空调一下，一会儿再试一下。
Can you show us the wire feeder?
Yeah.
Okay, so this part is for the wire feeder. It's a single wire. This part is a single wire. And if I want finish one workpiece, and if I want to weld the second one, third one, and I don't want to move the machine, so I want to know the cable length of that
Yeah.
machine.
So this cable length we designed is for they have two sides. One is 7 meters, and
Okay.
another. This is for the low power for
Okay.
800 volts. And we also have for the 1.2 kilowatts. We have 10 meters long for the cable.
Okay, so our online audience, just remember, they have two lengths of that cable. For the lower power, 800 watts, the cable length is 7 meter, right? For the 1.2 kilowatts, the length is 10 meter. Okay, what's they are doing now?
Okay, so now they are going to demonstration on the cleaning.
Okay,
So you can see
I can
there's
see.
a rust tools here,
Yes.
and you just need use this gun to clean. Let's see how it's going on.
Okay, let's
Ready?
see. Yes.
Go. Okay. Take a look. So here what's going on? You can the rust are being moved.
So it only can clean the rust.
Yeah, and also if you do have some oil, painting, and some dust on the surface, this can be all moved by it.
What
Okay?
happens if he clean it twice
You can see the another side,
before cleaning?
right? Any more?
Do you have more samples?
Yes. And also this one. Take a look.
So
Let's do it again.
during the cleaning, you can adjust the parameters. If one time not clean enough, we can do the second time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 So let's
Yes.
take a look.
It's totally different.
Yeah. So you can just make the surface the rust
Uh-huh.
removed, and just come out the color of the metal.
So for the cleaning, it can clean the rust, the oil, and the painting, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. So next, what do you plan to show us?
Okay, so after the welding, and I think the welding you can do some because I don't see that obviously by the welding the grill, so you can do some test later.
Okay.
宋工一会儿这个焊接再来一遍啊。
Okay.
Okay, after welding we will do cutting.
Okay. So
Okay.
we will do another welding test.
Yeah, just since let's see how many people is watching.
Actually, change the nozzle is very easy, right?
Yeah. 焊接再来一遍
So
啊！现在我看你刚才焊的不
so
明显。
that one is the nozzle for the cleaning. That
Yeah.
that piece.
Yeah, this piece, no. Let me show you these pieces, okay?
Is a nozzle for
So-
the cleaning.
Yeah, so this one is actually for cutting.
Yeah, for
Cutting. Yeah, if you do clean, you just remove
remove
the
the
tube.
nozzle. Okay.
This tube is especially for cutting.
Okay.
And what we have here
Uh-huh.
is for welding.
So if
Yeah, totally have two
Okay.
tubes.
so if we want to clean, just remove
Remove
all-
the tube.
Okay.
You can do this clean.
Okay.
Yeah. 看一下宋丝什么问题。Okay, so before this goes, how about let's do some of the lucky draw here?
Yes.
Because
Okay.
I said that we prepared 3 rounds of lucky draw. Yeah.
Okay, so next the engineer will do a second welding test, and during that time we can do the first round of the lucky draw.
Yeah.
So any prize you prepare for our online audience?
Yeah, that's right. So because a lot of users ask us about this spare,
Consumables?
consumers, the spare parts. So this is very important because sometimes if they need, they need to get this immediately.
Okay.
So we've been prepared some of the spare parts and consumables together with the machine. So I can show you here. If you buy the machine, so we'll go like this one, the Combo Pro. Okay, so you can see in this chart, this is all the parts are together with the Combo Pro. So you can see the consumables like the protective lens.
Protective lens.
Yep, and also the welding nozzles. And also we have the nozzles for the wire feed.
Okay.
And also we have the cutting nozzles here. This is for handheld cutting. And also we have the
Normal cutting.
nozzle for cutting. Okay.
So totally we have around 20 nozzles
Yeah.
and the 5 pieces
yeah.
of the protective lens.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
that's good.
So this is a first round gift
Okay,
for the lucky draw.
first round lucky draw. All these spare parts, all that.
No way. Yeah, we just prepared the consumption.
Okay,
5 protective lens and like 20 nozzles.
okay.
Okay.
So the first lucky draw is 5 pieces of protective lens
Yeah.
and 20 pieces of nozzles.
Right.
Okay.
So can you just introduce how we're gonna pick up which
Okay.
one will be the winner?
Moment. Let me ask the question
Okay.
of the audience. The question is about this welding function.
Right.
And the question is, what's the length for this machine? The length of cable for this machine. You can leave your answers in the comments, and we will choose 3 winners to give away the spare parts.
Okay, I can see the comments here. Okay.
We are waiting for the answers.
Yeah. So let's go. So the answers, the question will be what is the length?
What is the length
Of the cable.
for this machine?
Yeah. So just type your answers in the comments. Okay. So we will take a screenshot.
We are waiting for more answers.
Yeah, the first 5 who get the right answer.
Okay.
So we'll give you the spare parts for free.
Okay.
Okay.
One customer go 10 meters
Yeah.
in the comment selection.
Anyone have comments?
What is the length of the cable for this 1,200 machine?
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. How many we have? 5? Yep.
5. We have 5.
Okay.
Now only 2 customers know that.
Okay. So let's leave this question.
Okay.
I'm just waiting. Okay.
Okay,
I will
okay.
do screen later.
Okay.
I'll give them more time and let's see the welding again.
Yes.
Okay. Because I don't see some very obviously. We want to show the audience very obviously how it's doing now. All right.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, this time is obviously. Yeah.
So I think it's the first time they forget to use the wire.
Let's do this well again. Looks good.
What's the thickness of this carbon steel?
I think this one is 8. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
That's good.
What's the thickness of this carbon steel?
This is 6 millimeter.
6 millimeter?
这是6毫米是吧？3 oh sorry 3 millimeter.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 millimeter.
I think for the 1,200 watts, 3 millimeter is the limit.
Yeah,
welding.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So the barbecue grill is finished.
Yeah, look at the screw. How do you feel? They're hot?
No,
Okay.
that part is
This
very
is
hot.
the gift for you.
Thank you. I will bring it to my home.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the.
All right. So now, the moment we have already 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 4.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no, 5.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's take a look. It's time to do the screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Okay. A moment. Down? No? Yes. Here we go. Okay. So we have 5 audience who gave the right answer. 10 millimeters. Actually, I have the more professional answers. Is too long, right?
Too length.
For the.
I just ask about this.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. They're more professional than me. Okay. This 5 audience, lucky audience, will contact you later.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please leave your message to our backend, and we will contact you.
Yeah.
So next, what plan to show us?
Okay. Let's do the next one. So after
just-
welding and cleaning, I think a lot of audience, they are so expect to see how this machine going with the cutting. Yeah. So later we will do some cutting. to show.
So what material you prepare for today?
Yeah, first of all, I will do the carbon steel.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the millimeter?
And because you know this machine with the design, the maximum limit for the carbon steel is 12 millimeter. So today we're trying the top.
It's a trend, right?
Yeah, it's a challenge.
Okay.
So
Okay.
trying the 12 millimeter carbon steel cut to see how it's going on. Okay. Okay, let's move to the machine.
Okay, now we are doing the cutting demonstrate.
So yeah, before the cutting starter, I will just show you. It's quite easy to change this welding machine into a cutting machine.
Okay.
So you just remove this wire feeder, okay, and put this on this here, and use the screw to lock it. Yeah. Then you just need to change the gas.
Okay.
Okay. And also in the software, you need to change the parameters like the power, like the cutting speed,
And the pressure.
yeah, pressure.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it's done.
Okay. Let's close the shield door.
Okay.
Safety is the most important thing.
You
And
ready?
wear our goggles. Okay. Let's have a closer look. You need my help? Okay.
All right. Ready to cut. 12 millimeter carbon steel.
So with this machine, we already equipped it with dust collector, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you introduce about the safety features of that machine?
Oh yeah, that's a very important question.
Okay.
Because you know, this machine we are going to use quite a lot in the home base and personnel like workshops. So the safety design actually is a very important consider for us. So I just give you some 3 examples.
Okay.
So first of all, you can see this machine was totally enclosed
Yes.
by the cover, shield cover,
Yes.
and that just in case all the laser lights won't come in out and harm your eyes,
Yeah.
and also the dust, smoke won't come in out. So it will go into the air purifier. And the second one is, you can see there we have a button, yellow button, and the side. It's okay. You just show them the cutting. Okay.
So we have.
So this button, yeah,
here.
immerse the button. Once you press it, all the operation will be stopped.
Okay.
Okay. And also we have another design. Is we call that chain device on the door. So once you open the door,
Stop
the steam,
blinking.
everything will stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Finish. Let's see.
Let's take a look.
What's the material for this small drawer?
Okay.
Because I'm worried about the desk, you know,
Right,
it's very high
right.
power.
Okay, take a look at this. Wow. This is a 12 millimeters carbon steel.
It's a limited thickness.
Yeah, cut down by one time. Okay. So you can see,
And
yeah,
look this side.
12 millimeters. Look at here.
The thickness is 12 millimeter.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Oh, oh, oh,
Oh.
oh. Careful.
Don't tap it with your bare hands.
Yeah, this looks good.
It's clearly. Okay.
Okay, and also
Okay.
take a look at, we'll show you more details here.
Okay.
Because you mentioned about the protection.
Yes. I'm worried about that desk,
Yeah.
you know.
So you can take a look at here. So we use a very special material at the bottom of this platform. So this material we got the graphic.
Graphic.
So just the laser light never will go across
Okay.
this material.
So I never worry about that.
Yeah.
It's
So
from
this just
boring.
use as a
Okay.
very normal desk.
Uh-huh.
So when we go through.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think customers also worry about that.
Yeah, that's right.
So now they are changing another material.
Okay.
They are changing the nozzle.
Yeah. So right now we are going to cut the second one.
Uh-huh.
We're going to cut the stainless steel.
Okay.
This is also very popular material.
Okay.
And before we cut, we'll do several change since we change the material. First of all, we'll change the nozzles.
No.
Yeah. And also, after the nozzle, we'll change the gas.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we change nozzles, gas, and
And later will be the parameters.
parameter.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the software.
Okay. So for cutting carbon steel, we use the oxygen.
Yeah. Oxygen.
And for the stainless steel, we use
Nitrogen.
Okay.
Nitrogen. Yes.
Let's see how's performance. Okay, it's going to start. You plan to show the carbon steel, stainless steel, and any other materials?
Yeah. Today we also prepared a brass.
Brass, okay.
Yeah.
Brass is a high reflective material.
Yeah. Yeah.
Brass, aluminum.
Aluminum. Yes, that's right.
But
High
I know
reflection.
brass is much more difficult cutting than aluminum.
Yeah.
So if that machine can cut brass, it can cut aluminum.
Yeah, that's right. So for this machine, we have a suggestion for the thickness of this kind of high reflection material. Let's see how the part is going on. Okay, the cutting to finish. Oh, I see the cut across here. Let's see. The thickness is okay, 3 millimeters stainless steel. Let's take a look about the edge.
Very
Let's
smooth.
show the edge
Smooth.
and bright. This is because
There's no burst, right?
yeah.
Okay. So for the 1200 watts, I think 4 millimeter is a limit thickness.
Yeah.
And if cut the 3 millimeter, the cutting performance is so good. Okay. And next we will test the brass.
Looks good. Yeah. Next one will be the brush.
So this small part.
Yeah.
It's made by brass, right?
Oh yeah, this one is good. This one is we just cut it yesterday. Yeah.
So you can do some small pieces like this.
Yeah. So I want to put this like mark here. Looks good.
So it's also cut by this method.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
All right, cut and finish. Let's take a look at the thickness. Oh, it's a 2 millimeters brass. And let's take a look at the edge. So clean.
It's a good finish.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, it's perfect. Perfect. So also this one we were also cut by nitrogen. Yeah.
In for the industrial material lasers, customer can choose air compressor to replace the nitrogen.
Yeah.
It's the same for that machine.
Yeah. That's right. So also some clients also consider about this question. Can I just use the air compressor to cut?
Okay.
The answer is yes. And this is a very good way to help you to save the cost.
Okay.
And some of the process using gas can be much faster than the nitrogen.
So the customer can buy this machine with air compressor to replace the nitrogen.
Yeah.
And it can save the running cost and also can improve the cutting speed. Okay.
Yeah. And also I have a recommendation that if you choose the air compressor, will be suggest the outlet part pressure have to reach like a 16 bar.
16 bar is the same as the industrial lasers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So above are the demonstrate of the cutting test. And now I think it's time for the second round of the lucky draw.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
That's good.
Let's
Let's
see,
take a
any
look at
questions?
this. Yeah.
Okay. For the second lucky draw, I have a question about that machine. First, you should introduce about the price.
Oh yes, right. Okay, so we will have 3 sets of air purifier for this round, and price you can see here is $499 for this air purifier. Okay, so today we are going to give the first 3 for free
Okay.
for all audience.
So for the second round of the lucky draw, our price is a dust collector. It's the same one as that machine using. This one is the same as that machine using. The original price is $499. Today we will give 3 for free.
Okay.
Okay, my question is, where can I buy these D series machines? Just leave your answers in the comments. We will select 3 vendors to give away.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, just answer the question, where on which platform
Okay.
at the moment that you can buy this D series products? And drop your answers in the comment. We will
Let's
see.
see.
Yeah. Let's take a look at answers. The timing will be a little bit delayed because
Yes.
of the internet.
Just wait a second.
Yeah. Okay, here we see
Okay.
the answers.
More comments?
Good. No wrong answers. Always the right one.
Yes.
Good. 1, 2, 3.
Four.
Okay. I think it's enough. Let's take a look. We already got enough, all this. See, let's see it clearly. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Screenshot. Okay. Here we will choose the first 3 audience
Congratulations.
who give the right answer
Okay.
to send this air purifier for you for free.
So
Okay?
don't forget to leave your message
Yeah.
to our backend.
Yeah.
We will contact you.
Okay. So the name of Jimmy, I don't know how to pronounce. Jismai.
It's
Yeah.
mine.
And there's a user, I can't see name, but the third one was built Read.
Right.
Yeah, creations. I can say this one will be someone who do the personal creation
Okay.
or workshops from a name. Yeah, and some metal stuff. Good. Congratulations. for this
Congratulations.
artist.
So what about the next?
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Because in the beginning you told me you bring 2 machines, right?
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move here.
So what's the difference between this machine with another one?
Okay, so this one we call the Ultra Card. Actually, this is the D300 Ultra Card
Okay.
with 800 power. So today I will show you some difference of this Ultra Card. That one we was designed for multifunction. We have
Okay.
7 functions in one machine. But this one is going more professional in cutting
Okay.
and with higher precisions. Okay.
So what kind of the business you recommend for this
Yeah,
machine?
so, someone like who want to do some jewelry processing, and also maybe some of the electronic companies processing, and also some of the precision consumptions processing
Okay.
in home or their own workshop. This is the best choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you prepare any demonstration
Yeah,
for this machine?
Sure.
Okay.
All right. So let's do the card first, okay?
Okay.
So for this one, we just prepared some very small size card. Let's see how it's going now, okay?
Okay.
Oh. 等会儿。There you go. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
You can start.
Ready? Let's go.
I think this machine cutting speed is slower than this machine, right? Because it's a very small hole.
Yeah, actually it's faster because you can hardly see the movement of the hair because
that's
it's
the
too small.
reason.
Yeah, it's too small.
So, I want to know what you just told me this machine, the precision is much higher than that machine.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
right.
why?
All right. So for this one, okay, let's just take a look at the result.
Okay.
Finish?
Very small. He needed to find it. Weird. Ah, it's really very small.
Okay.
Is it hot or not? So you need to do the second test. So you need to do the second.
Oh, this looks. Oh, I can see some spots.
Don't worry.
It's okay.
We can
Let's
do
do
the
a second
second test.
This one.
Because we always need to adjust the parameters to get the
can see
perfect
the-
performance.
Yeah, you can see all the holes and the pass is good, but only if
Maybe the pressure.
yeah the air the
I think the reason is pressure.
yeah. Let's do it again. Let's change some of the
Maybe they
parameters.
need to lower down the pressure.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's really small.
Just introduce to us.
Okay, so
Right.
from here,
Yes.
let's take a look at this one. All right. So just you mentioned why this can do like this kind of small and high precision cut, because we do some change for this machine. First of all, we change the head. So we just change that multiple function head into this one. We got professional cutting head, and this is a mini version. It's much more smaller and lighter. And also the internal of this head, the control of the gas and light will be more precision compared with the last one. And also the second change is the transmission. So we change the belt transmission into screw transmission on this machine. Yeah. And also third is also very important is about the motor. So we change the stepping motor into the servo motors on this machine.
So the first one is mini laser head.
Yes.
The second one is a screw transmission.
Right.
And the third one is servo motor.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
Our engineer is adjusting the parameters. You can take. So that's the real situation. We always need to do more tests to get the perfect finish. Okay. Let's try the second test.
You ready? Okay. Let's do the second cut. Let's see if we have any promotion.
It's ready? Okay, let's see what happened. I have a question.
Yeah.
You just mentioned that this machine is only for cutting, right?
Yeah.
So it's only cutting metal?
Not only. Yeah, I just saw the comments for the audience because they suggest us to add some CO2, CO2 especially for no metals. Yeah?
Yes.
Actually, we consider also how this machine can cut also no metals. Because here we have another one here. We call the diode laser. It's okay. Let's take a look at this.
So you mean we have another special laser head?
Yeah.
And with that special laser head, we can cut metal and non-metal.
Yes, that's
Okay.
right. That's right.
Okay,
And this
later
one
we
is
can
much
show.
more easier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, we'll show.
later we can show this laser head to the audience. This time the speed is much faster than last time.
这个是打标吗？不是切割啊。
So first they are doing the engraving. After engraving, we will cut. This machine only have one size, people size,
No, this has two sides also.
also
So
two size.
D300
D300.
is smaller, and
Uh-huh.
the A600 is
Okay,
bigger.
okay.
It's 600 times 600 millimeters.
It's doing cutting or engraving?
Yeah.
Oh, it's engraving, then cutting. Okay, let's see.
There you go. So what did you cut? Oh, it looks like the logo, and you did the engraving, right?
QR code. Is that QR code, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now he shows the surface of the engraving. Let me see. So on the top is a cutting performance, and below is engraving. QR code? Okay.
展示清晰一点。没事，拍一
Maybe
下，
you
拍一下，
can,
看一下。
later you can use your phone to scan it.
Yeah.
Okay, so about the performance and demonstrate of the metal cutting, metal welding, metal cleaning, and the metal engraving, right?
Yeah.
So just now you mentioned about the non-metal cutting.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Take a look at this one. Because we have another head. It's
Okay.
called a diode laser head. So we all being equipped on the ultra cut version, which means all ultra cut can cut not only metal, but also non-metal.
Okay.
Okay. So this one is we call the diode laser,
Okay.
and you can just easily to exchange by the back. You see to put on the machine and change the head. Then you can just cut.
I have
Okay.
a question.
Yeah.
If I just want to buy a machine to with like cutting, cleaning, engraving,
Yeah.
but I don't need the non-metal cutting, so it's the best.
Yeah, sure. Let me show you, because totally we, for different demand, we prepare like generally 8 packages
Okay.
for the
So customer had
users. Yeah. Let's take a look. First we'll go with the combo parts. Okay. This is a combo package. And you can see if you need this kind of multi-function 7-in-1, so combo and combo pro will be the choice. The combo is without the blue laser, the diode laser, and this one with the diode laser.
Okay, so for the combo machine without the blowed out, right? And the combo pro with the blowed out laser.
Yeah.
Okay, so these two machines with different working size can only do metal
That's right.
processing.
That's right.
And these two can do the non-metal.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Think about another force.
Okay. So we have another package for the yeah. Also consider different use. We just make this into also two kinds. So the users buy only the welder also. This can be only used and the welder. And we use another smaller gun here, which is much lighter than the multifunction one. Okay. And also, if you need a cut, this is a professional cut, what's called an ultra cut. Also, two different packages.
So if I'm customer, I just want to buy a small machine.
Yeah.
And only for the cutting, which one you suggesting? This one or this one?
Only for cutting will be the ultra cut.
Because the high precision, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I see there are very big discount. So
That's right.
can you tell me about the validity of the discount?
Yeah. As you can see, the discount is quite the right time to have this. It's the lowest price ever.
So this is the original price, right?
Yeah, that's right. So this price will be ended at April the 4th, since crowdfunding finish.
Okay.
If this cabin finish, this price will finish. We're back to the normal price, and also this only limit for 50 units for each package.
So you mean the early bird price only 50 sets?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
50 sets. If this down, if this package is down, okay, this price also down.
Back to the original price?
Yeah,
okay.
correct.
So, my dear online audience, remember we only have 50 sets of the early bird special price.
Yeah.
So, just catch the opportunity.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and one more thing, a lot of audience, they also very interested in what's going on with the precision, because we said it's positive and 0.01 millimeter.
0.01.
Yes,
Okay.
it's quite high. It's the industrial grade precision accuracy. So later the engineer will show you how it's going on.
Okay.
How we call that the repeat position
Okay.
accuracy.
Repeat position.
Accuracy. Okay.
Okay.
So let's take the software. 把那个精度，跑精度看一下。Okay, first of all, back to the zero, back to the origin. So you can see the exit is at the 0 point, okay? And you can see here, 0 point. Then the engineer will set this step. The order will be move 100 millimeter. Okay, so let's see, after it's really moved, it goes to 99.998 millimeter. Okay, so which means the difference it's inside of 0.01 millimeter. Let's do it again. So repeat. No, it goes to 99.998 millimeter. Let's do it again. Okay, it's back to is 0.004. Okay, so which means if it's the position, locked again and again, rotating again. So the final, once it's back to the origin, it's only 0.004 differences. Okay. It's far more inside the 0.01 precision. So, okay. Thank you.
Can you show the audience about the real laser head?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Because I'm gonna open the door and show the audience. The mini laser head.
On the side.
Mini, look, very small.
Take a close
right?
look.
Very small.
Very small, very small. So it's much lighter than the gun.
And that is the scroll transmission.
Yeah, that's right. All these three, X,
And-
Y, Z, are all
Screw.
transmitted by screw.
And here is a servo motor.
And here you can have a 1, 2, 3 servo motor
Okay.
to drive.
So this material is the same as that machine.
Yeah, the same, the same.
Also the graphic.
Yeah.
Graphic material.
Yeah,
Like opening.
that's right.
Oh yes. Graphic material is same as the Combo Pro machine. Okay. Let me close the door. And I just say in the comments, section, many customers ask about more questions, and some customers ask about the delivery time.
Okay, yeah.
Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, you know, in order to help the client get that immediately as soon as possible, and we just to place the order after this camping finish. So the camping will be finished at the start of April. So after that, we will put all the orders into manufacture.
So it's in the
Yeah, so the products will be shipped. I think it will be at the early of May.
early of the May.
Yeah.
Okay, so only 50 sets, right?
Yeah.
And there are many customers ask about the shipping cost.
Oh yeah, about the shipping cost, because for if you need to order, you need to go to on the Kickstarter platform, and once you press the order, they will show you have to choose which country you're going to receive the products. Okay, maybe USA, maybe Mexico. So they will show you the price for the delivery. So this price actually is part bared by the customer and part bared by us.
Okay.
So, and this price is for all the cost, including the transportation and all the tax.
So you mean after a customer enters their address, they will say all the cost, right?
All the costs, yeah.
They don't need to pay
Anymore.
more. Okay.
Yeah. So this is a door-to-door cost
Okay.
for everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good because I know some customers they are worried about how to shipping.
Yeah.
They don't want to ship the machine by like a LC container.
That's right. That's right.
And how about the after sales service?
Okay, this is also very important because you know, this is not only just a toy; it's a real machine.
Yes.
So after sales is quite important for us because as you know, Senfeng been working for the industry products for 20 years.
Yes, because I already work for a Senfeng company more than 8
A
years.
long time, huh?
Yes, but I'm a sales for the professional introductory laser cutting machine.
Okay, I see. So for this machine, all the Senfeng Tools machine can also get all the service with the what we have in the industry machine. So which means that you can get a 24 hours, 7 days online service.
So even this very small machine, it's the
That's right.
same the after sales service as
That's
the
right.
industrial machine, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So anytime, no matter which country are you in, no matter what time, you just leave your questions. So our online engineer will give you feedbacks.
Okay. Can you show us about the
Yeah.
service
And
side?
also, I'll show you one board here. And also about service, we have 16 worldwide service site,
We have totally 13.
website, 13. So which means in these 13 countries, you can get our service site. And offline engineers can do help with the machines, with after sales.
Please show.
Yeah, so you can see here, USA, Germany, UAE, Pakistan, Japan, we have the warehouse and manufacturings. And this one are all, you know, service sites. Like USA, we have 2, Los Angeles and also Houston.
Houston, I think is a factory.
Yeah, right. And also here in Europe, we have in Germany. And also you can see Poland, also we have a service center. Turkey, right? Jordan, UAE, okay?
It's a factory.
Yeah. And India, and Pakistan, Vietnam, Japan, okay? Indonesia, and also Australia. We have a lot of banker and audience from Australia also.
So they these are 13. right?
Yeah.
13 survey sites.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
As I know, Senfeng, we also have more than 300 online service technicals.
Yeah.
So anytime you can contact us, any question, any problem of the machines.
Right.
Okay.
So how many round lucky draw we have done?
Mm-hmm.
How many round? 2 or 3?
3.
3 already. Okay. We have done 2 or 3?
Yes. 2.
2. So we still have one last.
The last one.
Okay, good. Let's.
Okay, now it's time for the last round of the lucky draw. What about the price?
Yeah, it's the same. We will have another 2 sets of air purifier. Oh yeah, right.
Protective case.
Right. We have better. So we have a protector kit here. I will show you.
Okay.
Okay. This.
Ah.
Yeah, this is the helmet and face mask. And we have the gloves. We have the glass.
We have totally 4, right?
Yeah, totally 4.
Goggles.
And the suit.
Okay.
And the suit is very suitable for some workshops. Yeah, with all space protection is enough for you and your friends or families use together. So the next round, so please drop your question. Let's see how many people will be the lucky audience.
I think 3.
3? Okay, let's do it.
Okay, for the last round of the lucky draw, my question is for this machine, D Series Combo Pro.
Okay.
How many types of the working area?
Okay. The working area. Okay, please drop your answers in the comments. So how many choices of working area
Yes.
on this Combo Pro?
Pro.
Oh, Combo Pro. Okay. Let's see the
Let's
answers.
see.
So we will give you 1 set of this protective kit for free if you get the right answer. Okay, we got 1. We got 1. And 2 and 3. Okay. So there's 3, right?
So the 3, but I'm waiting for another answer.
Okay.
Because we just introduced this machine had
4.
2.
Let's do the 5, okay? We can send 5. No problem.
5.
All right. I will do the screenshot.
Yeah, because we told us there are 2 types of the working table area.
It's okay. Because this is for the Pro. Yeah. 600 times 600. Yes.
Okay.
This is for the Pro. Let's take a look. So I will do the screenshot. So let's make the top 5 audience here. Top 5
You want to give more?
Here. 1, 2, 3 screenshot. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. Stop. Okay. The top 5 audience who give the right answer will contact you and give you this protection kit for free. All right. Okay. Yeah. I see.
Congratulations.
Right.
Don't forget to leave your message and to our backend system. We will contact you.
Yeah. And also, I see a lot of comments here mention about the no metal cut, like acrylic,
and
acrylic
wood,
and wood.
plastic.
So we will be another live stream next week.
Okay.
So next week we will be especially doing the no metal cutting with this diode laser. So hopefully you can come next week. We'll see you next week to show this. Okay.
Okay. And any other information?
So finally, because I see time is almost done.
10 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah. So finally, I give you a very good news here. Is about we are going to attend an exhibition next month. Oh, actually, it's end of this month. So at March 31st till the April 2nd, we're going to attend a show that's called the National Hardware Show in US.
In Las Vegas?
In Las Vegas. Yes, we have the booth. Number is 3.
Remember our booth 3044.
44.
And we will bring this Combo Pro
Yeah.
to the show.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So some audience who are quite interested and want to see the real machine. So welcome on the show.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, I think all demonstrates are finished. And the online audience, if you have any demands, don't forget to leave your don't forget to place your order on the Kickstarter.
Yeah.
And if you have any other questions, just leave your question in the comments.
And one more thing, that this is just start and the first time live stream. So any cutting process you want to see, no matter metal or no metal, just leave us a message on Facebook, or on our social media, and we will do the next live stream next week. Okay.
Okay.
All
And a kind of reminder, our live stream can be reviewed.
Yeah.
So don't forget to place the order. See you
Okay.
next week.
See you
See
next
you.
week.
Bye.
Bye bye.